In front of me is Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen. Begin by accessing background apps. In order to do that with Trick's navigation, use the square button. Now tap on the multi-window switch at the bottom and look for your apps to use in this view. I will go with Chrome and Photos. When you're ready, you need to click on this check mark at the bottom right corner and wait. As you can see, after that I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!